everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm tagging on to yesterday's Your Prep for Today, where I talked about printer paper yesterday. Well, I'm going to talk about printer ink today, so you can print on that printer paper. All right? Before I get into that, I want to remind you to, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, take this opportunity now. And somewhere down below here will be a button below the video that says subscribe. Click on it, and then click on it again to bring up the notification bell so you can click on that and get notified whenever I put out a new video. Also, everyone, if you have a chance, please hit that thumbs up button. Help me out with YouTube's analytics. All right? Okay. Printer ink. All right. Most ink is liquid, and you have for your inkjet type printers. But if you have a laser jet printer, it's a powder, and the powder keeps practically forever. So if you have a choice, if you're going to be buying a new printer and you're debating, do I want inkjet or laser jet? My recommendation: go with the laser jet. We have saved so much money on bad ink cartridges, ink cartridges going bad and drying out after we've installed them. And so the laser jet, we can not use that printer for several months. Prints absolutely immaculate when we fire it back up again. Whereas with inkjet, we have problems with it. Go to print it off and it's all because it's starting to dry out in there. So ink cartridges, whether you have inkjet or laser jet, hey, get some extra cartridges. And of course, black is what you use the most. If you don't have a printer that has all the different colors on it, and you usually have black and 3 other colors, and then mixes those colors to make whatever. If you have just one that's just colors only, and they make black by mixing all the colors together, you're wasting money. You want one that has black cartridge, then the cyan and the other colors, so you can print properly. All right. And before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here, where I do gardening and homesteading. And then I'm going to put the prepping for beginners up here playlist, and the prepping in private playlist down here, so you can share those with your friends, family, neighbors, so they can get prepared and get their own supplies, so they don't come after your supplies.